Hello, everyone, welcome back to App Geeker channel. If you've forgotten your iPhone 13 passcode or if your device is disabled due to multiple incorrect passcode attempts, you can still perform a factory reset to access your iPhone 13 again. Today, we're gonna show you 3 effective ways to reset your iPhone 13 to its factory settings. But before that, you should note that this process will erase all data and settings on your device, and you won't be able to recover them unless you have a backup. If you got it, now let's get started. The first method is a new feature in iOS 15.2 or later. It is called Erase iPhone. When you've tried too many wrong passwords, you will be locked out of an iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen. And the option to erase your iPhone will also appear in the bottom right corner of your iPhone screen. If your iPhone 13 has network connection and you know your Apple ID account, then you can try this simple way to reset your iPhone 13 without a computer or passcode. Keep entering passcode several times until you see Erase iPhone on the screen. Tap Erase iPhone to continue. Then, tap Erase iPhone again to confirm when Apple tells you that everything will be erased completely. Now, enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple account according to the prompts. Okay. The reset process will automatically start when your device has successfully verified the password. When your iPhone restarts and presents you with a setup screen, it means your iPhone 13 has been reset successfully and you're able to rebuild it from scratch or restore your data with a backup. Okay, that's how to use the built-in Erase iPhone option to factory reset your iPhone 13. But sometimes, if your iPhone has no network connection or your screen just can't show the option to Erase iPhone, you can go with a third-party app called iPhone Unlocker to reset your iPhone and unlock it safely and quickly. iPhone Unlocker is designed to unlock your iPhone or iPad without using passcode or Apple ID. And it is very easy to use. First, download and run iPhone Unlocker on your computer. To go on, plug your iPhone into your computer with a data cable and click Wipe Passcode on the interface. Alright. Now put your iPhone into recovery mode so that the software can recognize it. If you don't know how to do it, you can follow the on-screen instruction. Right. Just click on this link to see the tutorials. Once your iPhone is in the recovery mode and you have confirmed the device information, hit Start to download latest iOS software suitable for your device. Okay, when the download is complete, you can enter 0000 and click Unlock button to start the reset process. The whole process will not take long to complete, please be patient. Once it finishes, the passcode is removed. And you can now set up your iPhone following on-screen instructions. During the process of setup, you can sign into iCloud and restore your data and settings from a backup if you have. Now, let's come to the third method. You can factory reset your iPhone 13 without using passcode through Finder or iTunes. If you're running macOS Catalina or newer on your Mac, you can take Finder to restore your iPhone 13. And if you have a Mac with macOS Mojave or older, or you've got a PC, you can use iTunes. Alright, here we go. If your iPhone 13 is connected to the computer, disconnect it first. Now turn off your iPhone 13. Press and hold the side button and the volume down button at the same time until the power off slider appears. Then, drag the slider to turn off your iPhone 13. To move on, keep holding the side button while immediately plugging your iPhone 13 into the computer. When you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone, release the side button. Okay, once your iPhone 13 is recognized by iTunes or Finder, click the iPhone icon in the upper left corner of the main iTunes page. Or select the iPhone option in the left sidebar of Finder. Next, when you see an inquiry window, select the Restore option. And select the Restore and Update option in the second inquiry window. Then iTunes or Finder will download the software for your iPhone 13 and start the reset process. By the way, please be careful not to disconnect the iPhone from the computer during the whole process. Okay, that's all about the 3 ways on how to reset iPhone 13 when you forget your passcode. Pick one of them to solve your problem now. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more tips on how to solve various problems with iOS devices. Thanks for watching.